Origin of Urdu language. Urdu originated as a blend of local Indian languages with Persian, Arabic and Turkish influences during the Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire, evolving into a rich cultural and literary language. It belongs to the Indo-Aryan branch of the Indo-European family and is closely related to Hindi, though distinguished by its script and vocabulary. 1. Historical roots. Urdu developed in northern India around the 12th century during the Delhi Sultanate. It emerged as a lingua franca for soldiers and traders, mixing local dialects with Persian, Arabic and Turkish words. 2. Name and meaning. The word Urdu comes from the Turkish word ordu, camp, army, reflecting its origin as a language of military camps where diverse groups communicated. 3rd. Influences. Persian was the court language of the Mughals, heavily shaping Urdu's vocabulary. Arabic contributed religious and scholarly terms. Turkish added military and administrative words. 4th. Relation to Hindi. Urdu and Hindi share the same Indo-Aryan base and are mutually intelligible in spoken form. The main difference lies in script and vocabulary. Urdu uses Nastaliq script, Persian Arabic, while Hindi uses Devanagari and draws more from Sanskrit. 5. Cultural role. Urdu is not just a language, it is a fusion of cultures and histories born in the bustling camps of Delhi and refined in Mughal courts. With its Pactic charm and deep emotional resonance, Urdu stands as a bridge between diverse traditions, carrying the soul of South Asta in its graceful script and melodious world.